It's go time, guys. Products mixed. I'm Tyler. I'm excited about this pour because we're gonna need your guys' help, and you're soon gonna find out why that is. So let's get started mimicking black magma granite with the Legari twist. All you coating contractors, if you want to set your business apart or add a revenue generating machine to your current business, go to LeggariAcademy.com. You're going to learn over 10 coating systems, and you're going to be doing projects just like this. First things first, I'll just give you guys a close-up of what we're mimicking. Now the twist is, we're going to use very, very vibrant orange. I think it's going to add a lot of pop with these colors. And so what we've done already is obviously batch out our stuff. We're gonna do the majority black because there's a lot of black in it. And then we're gonna add our orange to the top of our soft tan. We've dumped out our secondary mixing bucket, and you can see how much resin has drained out of there that we're gonna use. Instead of wasting, as long as you're using those secondary mixing buckets, you don't have to worry about resin not setting up. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna map out where I want my pours to be, because again, I'm gonna try to mimic a lot of the designs. We knew we were gonna have a lot of black here, so I'm gonna start there. You can see all the just kind of veining it has, so we're gonna do a lot of little pores, veins in between all these, just over and over, and we're gonna be adding orange to the top as we pour it. by running that paint stick through it, we got all those like fracture lines everywhere. Thing is just absolutely stunning looking, and I'm about to do isopropyl on it to disperse that surface. But before I do that, if you guys think this sample kit is worthy of being inducted into the stone kit lineup on our website, comment below and say make it a kit.